Hi everyone, it's Jen. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today I wanted to share some projects I made with some Scrap Diva Designs dies. These were dies from the August release. I used some of them before, but I wanted to show you some new projects that I've made. And I will link all of the dies that I used today down in the description box, as well as my referral link. If you click on that and place an order, I get a commission from the sale. So thank you so much to everybody who uses that. And don't forget to use my code at checkout, which is strawberry cream, and you'll save 10% at scrapdivadesigns.com. All right, so I have two projects to share with you today. The first one, I used these two die sets, and this is the uppercase alphabet and the numbers die set. Yep, uppercase alphabet and numbers. So like it said, all the uppercase letters, and then it comes with the exclamation point, question mark, parentheses, and all of the numbers. I also use this one, which is the lowercase alphabet. So this one doesn't come with numbers, but it does come with all the lowercase letters. It comes with the brackets, the ampersand, and the dollar sign. Dollar sign, sorry. Losing my voice for some reason. But anyway, so it's good if you can pick them both up because you can mix and match the letters, obviously, but it's nice to have the numbers from this one and then these different symbols on this one. So I also used an older die set from Scrap Diva Designs. I'll link this one down below too. I think it's still available. This is the Heart Mini album. And I like using this for cards because it leaves a big space inside to put your sentiments or embellishments, whatever you're making. So this is how big it is, the outer part, and then there's a frame if you want to make it into a shaker, and then there's an inner layering piece as well. It also comes with a pocket, and these I used. These are little hearts that emboss words in them: love, wish, happy, and faith. And the love has a little heart for the O, and they're stitched. So yeah, those are really nice to have. It comes with a beautiful bow. I didn't make that. And like I said, the pocket. So nice to have in your stash. And if you have this, it's a great way to pull out. It's a great thing to pull out when you want to make an anniversary card, which is what I did because my husband and my 27th anniversary is coming up in October. So I thought this would be a good opportunity to use these and to make a card. So I'll have it on hand. So this is the card that I made for him. And isn't that pretty? The papers I used are, well, the pattern papers are from Simple Stories What's Cooking. So I just like the combination of the colors. I have this like mustard solid color in my stash, so I use that for the like eyelet piece. And for the letters and numbers, which I use these dies in, I cut out of just plain white paper and then some teal foam, as you can see, and just layered them on top of each other. And then I added diamond stickles to the edges just to, give them a little pizzazz. And here are the hearts that I used. I used 3 of them. This one says wish, and there's love, and then there's happy. So, I just thought it would be nice to give us an anniversary card. And I shared this in a recent haul from scrapbook.com. This is it's a light tack mat, craft mat, and I think it's called the Amazing Mat or something. I'll try to remember to link this down below as well in case you're interested, but it worked really well. The way I did it was I had my letters and numbers and I just laid them out the way I wanted to on the heart. Then I took the tacky side of this mat and put it on top, and it lifted them up, and then I added glue to the back and put it right back down, smoothed it down, and then lifted it up, and the letters and numbers were in the place that I wanted them to be. So it worked out really well. So that's the card that I made. Let me measure these numbers and letters just in case you're interested. The numbers, let's see, they're about 1.25 inches long, and well, it's going to depend on the number, but it's about 7/8 of an inch. And then the letters, the Y, which is the biggest one here, is about 1.5 inches long and about 5/8 of an inch wide. Hold on one second. Okay, sorry about that. And then on the inside, I put our initials. This was the heart that cut out from the frame die that I used. So I just glued that onto the inside, cut out a J and a D. My husband's name is Dave, and the ampersand. So I used the uppercase for this part, and then lowercase letters for this one. And it's just, very customized, and I think it's really pretty or nice, and hopefully he likes it too. So if you want me to measure the hearts, I would be happy to do that. The biggest one is about 5.5 inches side to side, and then let's see, about almost 4 3/4 top to bottom. This is a pretty big card, but obviously I don't have to mail it, so I could just hand it to him. So it's over, well, about 6 3/8 by 5 1/2, just to give you an idea. So yeah, that's my first project. I hope you like it. It's so nice to have these alphas on hand to, you know, obviously make it as custom as you want. It's hard to find probably impossible to find a 27 years anniversary card in the card store. So there's that one, and let's move on to the next project. So I made another one of these barns, and these are the 3D barn gift box. So I made a couple before. If you remember, I made like a barn themed one, and that, like, you know, with animals and stuff, and then one that's Halloween. Hold on one sec. Okay, I just wanted to get them out without making so much noise on the video. So these are all of the dies that it comes with. Really easy to put together. There are a bunch of tutorials out there from the other design team members if you want to take a look and see how they did it. And I have a Scrap Diva Designs playlist on my channel. If you want to see the ones that I made before, go ahead and check those out. But I wanted to make a Christmas version because, I don't know, there's just so many different ways you could customize this and put a cute little gift in or just use them for decor. So I got out a paper collection that I picked up at Michael's last year. This is called the Retro Christmas Collection. And I got this, I think it was pretty close to Christmas time last year, so I never used it. So I thought it would be perfect for this project. And the pieces are thin, like scrapbooking paper, just like the paper packs at Hobby Lobby, but that's fine because I used 110 paper to construct the barn, so I use these for layering pieces. And then it comes with all these gems. I use those as well. It comes with a sheet of washi. I used that, and these are some cutter parts that I used. So I wanted to show you that, and I also used a few of these poinsettias. These are from Hobby Lobby that I got, these are old, 2018, but they probably still have these. And I used some of these stickers. These are from McKenna Christmas. Well, that's the papered line. It's from LDRS Creative, but I used a few puffy stickers from here because the colors matched. And then I used some of this paper. This is Sugar Crystal Glitter Cardstock from Tonic Studios. And it's a nice white glitter, but it does have a lot of like green colors in it, but I thought that'd be perfect for this Christmas project. So let me show you what I made. It's so cute, I think. This cute little Christmas barn. So yeah, right? Isn't that sweet? So I used all those papers that I just mentioned, some pieces of ephemera. That Retro Christmas collection comes with some like ephemera that you could pop out. So I did that for the Mrs. Claus and for the reindeer there. And then this is that, I just got this at Hobby Lobby that I showed in my haul this week. It's this like string of Christmas lights, and I just kind of stuck it on there. I thought it looked pretty cute. So I did that, and I added a door and window from the die set from the barn, and that's what the front looks like. So cute, right? And then on the sides, I added some more of the poinsettias and another cut apart there, pretty papers. For the roof from this die set, okay, these are the roof pieces, the shingles that you can add if you want to. You don't have to. I didn't do it on my barn animal themed one. But I just add it to the bottom half of the roof because I like to decorate the top with other things. And also, this used like 8 to 10 pieces, so that was enough for each side, I thought. And I used some of the gems there, and then this is the washi that comes with that collection, so I just cut it to size and put it on the top. And I like how that looks, just a little bit different on each side. Over here, I used some of my puffy stickers that I showed you, some more ephemera. And I did add stickles and Nuvo drops here onto the tree. That's an enamel sticker, the star right there. So I just glittered it up all the way around. This is the back. This is a banner sticker from Michael's from years past. Another piece of ephemera from the collection. More stickles all around. Gotta add some sparkle at Christmas time, right? And then for the closure on the top, I used 2 different ribbons. This is actually a Valentine's Day ribbon, but it's very festive for Christmas too. So I used that, and then this teal ribbon with snowflakes. That's from Joann's. forget where this is from. It might be Joann's too, actually. So that's what the barn looks like. Let me measure this for you in case you haven't seen the other videos. It's 4 inches from back to front. Side to side, it's about 4 inches as well. And top to bottom, it is 5 inches. So really nice size gift box, comes together beautifully. You can see I used some heavyweight cardstock, like I said, to construct the box. This is red basil cardstock that I picked up at Joann's. So to open it up, just take the ribbons out, use whatever kind of closure you want. But this is how it opens, and you just glue part of the roof down so you can get into it, obviously, and you can see all the space that's in there. There is a layering piece that you could put in the bottom of the box if you want to add some more pattern paper. I actually cut out an extra base piece by mistake, so I just glued that down in there. So it's 2 layers, and it's really nice and sturdy, this box. So it comes together really nicely. It's easy to put together and very satisfying when you're done, because it's just so cute, and there are so many different ways to decorate it. So I've been seeing so many cute examples from other designers, for other customers of Erica's, and yeah, if you want to take a look at some of them, follow the hashtag Scrap Diva Designs on Instagram, YouTube. You can look at the product page at scrapdivadesigns.com. There's always examples down at the bottom, and if there are tutorials, Erica links those as well. So it's really easy to find what you're looking for on the product page or on scrapdivadesigns.com. So those are my projects for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, and please subscribe if you haven't already. I'll be back with more crafty videos. Everything will be linked down below. Thank you so much for watching, for using my referral link and my coupon code. I hope you enjoy, and I'll be back soon with more crafty videos. Take care, everyone. Bye.